Good morning. It is 4:34 a.m. and we are about to hit the road to Disney World. Come along. I should have a video a day in this series and I'm excited to take you along for the adventure. Hey y'all, it's Alirien, and we are on the way, as I mentioned in the little cold open there, to Walt Disney World in Orlando. It is now 8:12 in the morning instead of, earlier than sin, and it is daylight now, as you can see, and we've just stopped at the Buc-ee's here in Foley or Loxley. It's near Foley and Loxley in Gulf Shores, Alabama, to get some breakfast. My taco was very good. I presume I liked your sandwich. We don't need gas quite yet, so I think I'll go ahead and get back on the road in a moment here. But yeah, wanted to do a proper opening now that it's daylight and you can actually kind of see me rather than me having to stand under the spotlight of my porch. But we've been driving for about 3 hours, so we've got 7 more to go to get there. We're staying at Fort Wilderness in one of the cabins, and we have dinner tonight at Raglan Road Irish Pub in Disney Springs. So yeah, should be a good first day. Reservation and just waiting for our table to get flipped so that we can go sit down, but it is amazing weather out here right now. Like, I'm not sweating and I also don't need my sweater yet. It feels fantastic, and they've got some live music in the restaurant, so I don't know how much I will talk or play of any audio in there, just so I don't get a copyright strike or anything, but we're very excited. My zipper on my bag is broken, so I'm gonna have to find a sewing kit at some point to fix that, or just duct tape it until we can fix it. But we're so excited. He's already in line for a beer while we wait for our table, so that I will check in through the night and show you our cabin once we get over to the resort.
No one really cares to know. I see marvels, I see titans, and some troubles that everybody has to face, that no one really can erase, and they hide
So I just realized I filmed everything for today on my phone and I'm doing this outro on my camera, so it'll look a little different, but it was a good first day. We spent most of it on the road, obviously, and we had a bit of car trouble that we lost 2 hours to, unfortunately, in Tallahassee, but we got here, went to dinner, it was fabulous. There was music and dancing, and we
We walked around Disney Springs a bunch. Chris actually ran into somebody who he follows online and was very excited to have met this person, and he just shook the guy's hand and said, I really appreciate everything you do, and your content has fundamentally shaped some of how I think. And the guy was very flattered, and they took a picture, so that was cool. But we're here in the room, as you can see behind me. I'll give y'all a proper look at the room in the morning. Probably tomorrow or one of our other days. Probably not tomorrow, actually, because we have an early day, so we're gonna be up, dressed, heading to the park very fast, because I'm gonna be up to try to get us onto the Tron virtual queue, and we're gonna try to take the boat to Magic Kingdom in the morning, so that'll be fun. So I'll give y'all a look through the room and at some of the merch that we got today another time, but I already got him something that I consider a birthday present, and he loved it. He was like, is this for this reason? I was like, maybe. So, but yeah. Oh, and our fire alarms went off really randomly, so that's fun. More about that later. But yeah, we're gonna head to bed because we've got an early morning. I will talk to you tomorrow at Magic Kingdom. Thank y'all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know where all the buttons and the links are at this point, I'm sure. If you want to see more content like this, there will be an entire playlist of these videos specifically, but you can also check out my travel playlist linked in the card and in the description below. And I want to give a huge thankful shout out to my coven of patrons who are and continue to be the most pivotal in helping this content continue to happen and be bigger and better every time. If you would like to join their ranks, the link to do so is in the link tree below. Pledges start at $1 a month. Stay tuned for Magic Kingdom tomorrow. Well, tomorrow for me, next video for y'all, and I will see y'all then. Have a good night. Keep aiming, my loves. Mwah.